Focus. Follow one course until successful. Most people are professional dabblers. Stop being distracted by shiny things. If you keep stopping and starting something, you never gain momentum. You need to become obsessed with one dream, one vision, one purpose, one mission. Singleness of purpose. You've got to not just be in business, the business has to be in you. That's entrepreneurship. Most people don't have the ability to stay focused. I've been an entrepreneur all my life, and if I'm dreaming, don't wake me up. You know what I've noticed is that so many people start a business. They start out and they're fired up about something, and something shiny comes along and distracts them from their own dream, from their own vision. I have to tell people all the time, it's no need in approaching me with another business opportunity because I'm on a mission. And see, when you're not on a mission, when you are just dabbling in business, then you are so easily distracted by everybody else. Somebody's doing something over there and you think you need to go do that. Or something looks like it's gonna get you success quicker and you drop your own dream and you start following a shiny object. I call it shiny object syndrome. I did not make up that term, but I like it. And I've been seeing this for so many years. So I'm gonna teach you a principle today that if you do it, everything in your business will change. So are you ready? First of all, let's just go to the acronym FOCUS. Follow one course until successful. Many years ago, I coined a phrase that's slightly different from this, and it's called, wait a minute, when I say it, it's not gonna sound sexy like follow one course until successful, but it has been the secret to my success. If there was one thing that I could say made all the difference, it's this right here. And it's called singleness of purpose. Singleness of purpose. I teach entrepreneurs have one dream, one vision, one purpose, one mission. You can't follow after or chase two rabbits. If you chase two rabbits, both of them are going to get away. Most people are professional dabblers. They love to try something out for a little while, and if that doesn't work, then they go and try something else for a little while, never getting down to where they have one dream, one vision, one purpose, and one mission. Look, if you're not on a mission, if you don't believe in your business enough to give 1,000% to it, then get out of it and go do something else. You've got to not just be in business, the business has to be in you. And I see this as one of the main reasons why so many entrepreneurs struggle. And here's why. If you keep stopping and starting something, you never gain momentum. And without momentum, you're never going to be able to have the long-term success that comes from going through the process of sticking with it. This is my fourth business that I've started from scratch. I started a jewelry business. I invested 7 years into that business. I started a computer company, 7 years into that business. Circle of Champions, I'm going on 20 years in one business. That's what it takes, ladies and gentlemen. And so many people can't do that because when success doesn't come at year 5, they quit, not knowing that success was at year 6. You can quit a little bit too soon because the rewards for entrepreneurship really come down to one thing. I learned this from a gentleman that I met over 20 plus years ago. And he was doing a seminar and he was asking everybody, what is the number one key to being successful as an entrepreneur? And people would say things like focus, like persistence, like vision, like having a big dream, like having capital, like having a team. All of these things were true and all of these things are part of being a successful entrepreneur. But his answer shocked me and it shocked so many others because when it comes down to it, there's one key ingredient that all successful entrepreneurs possessed and they still do today. And I'm gonna tell you what it is right now. They overcame the temptation to quit. All successful entrepreneurs overcame the temptation to quit because before you reach success, You're going to reach a place where you are tired, you're frustrated, your business looks like it's drying up. You don't know whether you should keep going or not. You want to throw in the towel. And many times your success is right around the corner. So watch this. I teach a definition of entrepreneurship. It's on my other videos. If you're watching video, if you're on YouTube now, check out some of the other videos I do. But here's the definition of entrepreneurship for me. Entrepreneurship is the recognition and pursuit of opportunity without regard to the resources you currently control, with the confidence that you can succeed, with the flexibility to change course as necessary, and with the will to rebound from setbacks. And that's that key ingredient that most entrepreneurs just don't have, that last gear that they can go into when all the crap hits the fan. And that's why they never see success. Actually, they have mediocre success. I'm going to show it to you this way. I wasn't going to do this right now, but I think it's a good place to do it. And I actually didn't create this. I learned it from one of my mentors. He talked about how you start out the day and you have, say, 100 points of energy for that day. 100 points. It's like your cell phone has a full battery charge. When you charge it up overnight, it's ready for the day. But with every call, with every text, with every time do you know that most adults, they can't go but about maybe 10, 12 seconds if they're somewhere without getting bored and start playing with their cell phone. That's the day we live in, you all. But your cell phone, with each interaction, the battery level is starting to go down. And that's what happens to us. The more you give your energy here, you give your energy there, and especially when you're giving it to energy takers, people that you really shouldn't be giving your energy to, then your battery is going down. So when you start out with these 100 points of energy, the more you spread that energy out, the less successful you're going to be. I have learned that the key to success is to do fewer things. Even my mentor, Jesus, said it. Faithful over a few things, I'll make you ruler over many things. The faithful few things, the critical few is what somebody calls them, versus the trivial many. And so suppose you wanted to become an expert, or you want to really build some momentum, and you say, well, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna build my Facebook channel at the same time. I'm gonna do my Instagram, and I'm gonna also do LinkedIn, and I'm gonna post on every one of them, which is fine. But what I would suggest you do is decide that I'm gonna master one of these platforms, because the platforms are all different and they serve different audiences and they serve a different purpose. So suppose you said, you know what, I'm gonna focus and I'm gonna build my YouTube channel. I'm gonna get my 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna get my 4,000 hours of watch time, and I'm gonna continue to go deep on YouTube, where most people just keep going shallow on everything. They go to this little shallow level on everything rather than going deep on one thing. That's because they don't have the ability to focus on one thing. And so that's just the beginning. Greetings, this is Bob Yates, founder of Circle of Champions Seminars, and I'm here at our headquarters where I shoot these videos for entrepreneurs just like you. For those of you that don't know me, I've been in business all my life. I've never worked for anybody, and I always tell people if I'm dreaming, don't wake me up. And my goal in 2020 is to reach 20,000 entrepreneurs to inspire them. And it doesn't matter where they are. They can be on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media platform. And my way of reaching them is through videos like this. So our YouTube channel is a teaching channel where we primarily teach business strategy, entrepreneurship, sales, marketing, public speaking, things that we know entrepreneurs need to get to their next level. So if you like this kind of teaching, hit that subscribe button and the notification button. Get ready, because there's a ton of new material coming your way. This is Bob Yates. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.